Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And here we have the DJI Flip. I've been wanting a drone for the longest time, and it finally came. This Flip is more like a beginner drone. It's not a quote-unquote professional drone, but it gets the job done. It gets 4K 60. But yes, I'm very excited. Let's open it up. Okay. Now this is the drone here. Now let me get everything else out first. Okay, these are all the manuals, stickers, QR code. Okay. What's in here? Okay, so here we have, these are the extra propellers. So if you break or lose any, those are some extra there. And this is the controller, the RCN3. Nice, nice. So these are the little joysticks that go screwed on onto here. Okay. So it goes screwed on here. Okay, perfect. Yep. And I'm sure the phone, oh, I didn't mean to turn that on. The phone gets connected here. And there should be a cable in here as well. So hard to get out here. Well, I'm gonna have to wait for that to come out. Oh, there it is. So this gets connected to your phone and gets connected inside here as well. And here's your picture button and record button, control, function. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to do this, guys. USB-C connector. Okay. And then what's in here? Okay, so this is USB-C to lightning cable for the phone. And here is a USB-C to USB-C. I'm sure to charge it. Okay, let me see if there's anything else. Nope. Everything's all set in there. Okay. And then last but not least, let's get the drone out here. Okay. And here we are. Look at this. Now, obviously, it looks a little weird, but it's called the Flip because literally you just flip all the propeller guards out. Now that is cool. It has built-in legs here. Not in the back, but in the front it is. And we have a little protector here. I don't want to break this. Okay. Actually, it might be better if I do this. There it is. Here's a little protector there that goes on the gimbal there. And there is your, I believe, 3-axis gimbal. And this is your sensor for optical avoidance. Ultra light, 249 grams. Right under 250. And yeah, guys, I am actually very excited to get this flying. I will be testing this pretty soon. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.